Hello my dear friends, welcome to Scientific Guru HK. Today we are going to make a bridge rectifier. Please like and subscribe Scientific Guru HK and click on the bell icon.
In this bridge rectifier, this is the transformer and this is its AC input clip. These two side red wires are AC output wires. 50 volts 4700 microfarad capacitor. These are for 1N4007 diode. Link of each and every component is given in the description. Two DC output wires. This is upper red wire. We are connecting P terminal of first diode and N terminal of second diode. Like this. First diode P terminal will be upside and second diode N terminal will be upside, and joining them with one another. Again in these two diodes, right side diode P terminal will be downside and left side diode N terminal will be downside. Now joining them two. Now joining N terminal with N terminal on right side and P terminal with P terminal on left side. Diodes are now connected. Now taking 4700 microfarad capacitor and connecting red wire with the positive point and black wire with the negative point of the capacitor. Now assembling as shown in the diagram. Connecting red wire with joined N terminal of both the diode at right side and black wire with joined P terminal of both the diodes at left side. Now connecting another red wire with joint N terminal of both the diodes. And another black wire with the joint P terminal of both the diodes. Now connecting both upper and lower AC output wires to their respective places as shown in the diagram. Now I will solder all the joints. All the joints have been soldered. These are negative and positive wires. Be careful that these AC wires shouldn't connect. Plugged in. Now taking digital multimeter and setting its reading to 200 volt DC. Positive and negative terminal will be connected like this. Connecting red wire with positive terminal. Now connecting black wire with the negative terminal. AC supply now started. You can see the rectifier output reading 31.5 volt DC voltage